This is how to fix any Windows Update error on Windows 10 or 11. We're going to go down here to our search and search for Windows Update settings. We're going to check here to see if we're up to date. If we're not, we're going to go and check for updates. But if it doesn't go all the way through and you won't be able to update, and it seems like you won't be able to update your Windows, we're going to close out of that and go back to a search. We're going to look up troubleshoot settings. We're going to go here to additional troubleshooters. Under Get Up and Running category, we're going to click on Windows Update. Then we're going to run the troubleshooter. Once you run it, go ahead and restart your computer and try to update Windows once again, but if it doesn't work, we're going to go back to the search right here, look up CMD. Alright, and what we're going to paste into our command prompt is this text right here, sfc space / scan now, no space. Like that, press enter. And it's going to start scanning your computer for any updates and try to troubleshoot your PC. Once this has been completed, which may take like 10-15 minutes, go ahead and restart your computer. Go back here to the Windows Update settings, and it should be able to successfully update Windows.